This is going to be a really quick video showing you the progress where I've made on the electrical conduit. See, I got a handy box. There'll be an outlet down there. We'll follow the conduits running down on this here wall. You can see there's a J-box up there. It's coming down over here. And of course I followed the diagrams here, building plans, all that worked perfect. Another J-box. Conduit going out the top of the J-box. That's going to be going over to the panel board that's in the kitchen. Another J-box. Handy box and a J-box. J-box down on the end. Conduit continues down. Another J-box. There's a handy box and a 4x4. Continues on down this wall, wraps around, comes down with a 90. J-box, handy box, comes along, 90. There we go with the J-box. Another J-box. This one will be going out to the disconnect. It'll be outside. Another 90. Another handy box. Of course, there's the other drawing. And also, I had the mount here. It's already on there for the AC unit, indoor unit. That wraps it up for right now, guys. Catch you guys in the next one.